And first I wanted to talk about the tools that I'm going to be using so that I don't have to keep flipping back and forth between the screen to tell you about the tools. So you can type comments in the comment box. Again, I'm really excited to be here and really excited to talk about blush. And one of the most exciting things about blush right now is there's so many different ways that you can wear it. There really feels like there aren't rules, and it's what you like and where you like it on your face. And we'll talk about some of the things that can highlight certain things or minimize other things too. So all right, so let's get started. Let's talk about the tools. So and I'm not using complete collections, but I'm using a brush from 3 different collections. So I'm using this brush right here from the Mange 3-piece foundation collection, and even though this is a foundation brush, I like it for blush, so I'll be using this. And then I'm using 2 brushes from the Shiny makeup brush set. Let's see, let's highlight that for you. So I'm using this brush and this brush from the Shiny set. And then I'm using this brush right here from the Best Taupe makeup brush set. And then I have a couple other tools that I'll be using. Let's see, let's go this way. All right, I'll be using a beauty blender, and my beauty blender is from that 12-piece set right there. That this 12-piece set. And then I'll be using a cotton powder puff from this set right here, which I really like a lot. And then of course I'm going to be taking off, because I'm going to be doing a lot of swatching, so you need your cotton rectangles, and I'm actually going to be using the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Remover to take the swatches off my skin so we don't end up with too many at one time. So all right, let's go ahead and jump right in. So, and there's going to be a whole mix of price range in the products that I selected, because I wanted to give you a variety, and there are also products that I use regularly, so there's nothing in here that I haven't used or don't use on a regular basis. So the first one I want to talk about is the Catrice Magic Shaper for your face. It's their face palette, and there's so much in this little palette here, and you can tell it's well used, or it's getting to be well used. So there's highlighter, a concealer, darker concealer, a medium concealer, which you could also use as a bronzer, and then 2 blushes here. Whoops, I'm backwards on my camera screen, so I have to get used to that. So I'm actually going to do a little bit of sculpting here because I don't have that much makeup on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sculpting spots on. So this is again using the face palette, and again I'm a little confused on which way I'm going here. So okay, I think that's good for that. And then for the highlighter, we're gonna go right along here and right along here in the center. We'll do a little bit more, and then we're going to of course blend all of that.